Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I got a new install today. This video will be out shortly. This is the Megalook 26-inch 13 by 4 200 density. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Charlie Mar Beauty. Okay, Megalook sent me some goodies with my wig. They sent me a nice little eyelash set. It's natural eyelashes. They also sent me an elastic band to melt my lace, a baby hair brush, a little hair clip, and a bald cap. Here we're reviewing the wig, just showing you the hair clips on the inside, the band stitched in. I'm gonna cut off that extra cap at the bottom. But it's nice lace. Did have a little bit of stench to the wig, so you're gonna see me wash it. I went ahead and washed the wig. A little bit of color came out and it had very minimal shedding. As I wore this wig, you know, the curls didn't really stick. I used hairspray and the curls didn't really hold. So I'm gonna have to curl this wig when it's not on my head and see if I can get a different outlay. But it was minimal shedding altogether with this wig. Okay, so I went ahead and went in and blow dried this wig, and then we went ahead and put some curls and installed. We did a quick install. We didn't do glue. We did hairspray. But yeah, you'll see the full look. I'm gonna do a makeup look here in the next day or so. Okay, so now I'm going in with the bald cap method. I'm cutting out my ear tabs. We're gonna use some hairspray to lay that down, melt that lace, and get our wig installed. All right. Okay, I actually went in with the Got To Be Glue yellow tube. This one I don't recommend. Get the black tube because the white, if you use heat, it can dry white, and you want it to dry clear. So use cool setting on your blow dryer. Use the cool setting for it to dry clear. I just really wanted a nice hold on my cap, so I tried something else before laying down the hairspray. All right. I have a pet peeve with my cap lifting in the back, so I sew it down. Take the time out to sew your cap down, ladies, if you're still doing the bald cap method. A lot of ladies aren't doing the bald cap method. They're just installing their wigs. Hey, whatever suits, whatever works for you. But if you are going to do the bald cap method, take the time out to sew the back of that cap down so it's just not just up and all your real hair is just out. That's just my pet peeve. Let me know what you guys think. This is what she's looking like. She's not perfect, but she's definitely sewn down and ready for the install. Excuse my gray hair. That's the very reason why I wear wigs 34 with all that gray. Not ready to accept it. Okay, I'm going in and I'm tinting my bald cap with my foundation. This is the foundation NARS in the shade Macao. I fall asleep on everybody's makeup tutorials, so don't stop me. Anyways, we're going to lay down this front cap. We had that true bald method. I recommend the black gel. I just refuse to let this go to waste. Oh, this is my first time trying it on. I assumed it fit because it fits my mannequin. Okay. Now, before we get too glued down, I need to pin back this hair. So I'll be right back. Need some clips. Now this is a quick install. I probably could cut a little bit more of that cap off around the hairline, but it's a quick install. We don't want to overcut, so it's best to cut less. That way you can go back in later when you're taking your time to lay the wig and cut off any unnecessary lace that's left over and correct that hairline. Again, this was just a quick install to get out the house for the day. So yes, there's extra lace that I will be laying. Okay, right here I realized I had to lift up the middle of my cap and relay down the wig because I didn't have no forehead left. Anytime you got a little bit of a box of a forehead, people can tell that's a sloppy lay for an install. You want to make sure your forehead looks like a normal forehead, a regular size forehead, but you don't want just a box right above your eyebrows as if that's your forehead, that's the hairline you was born with. No, that is not right. So yes, I did lift that lace and relay it so that we can give that little bit of forehead we got, okay? Okay, so I went in and I relayed down my lace from the middle of my head and then worked on the sides. We're using the Auburn's melt spray in the yellow container, and this really melts your lace. I laid down my baby hair, and this is the look before I curl it. Because Amir's moving slow and I'm moving slow. Shut up. You could help. Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I got a new install today. This is 13 by 4, 200 density by Megalook. All right, Charlie Mar Beauty.